Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the fractional distillation of petroleum. Okay. We have already discussed what are coal, how they are formed, and what are its different uses. So in today's topic we will see what is petroleum. The word petroleum is derived from the word petro and the oleum. Petro means rocks and oleum means oil. That means petroleum means the oil of rocks. And what are it made up of? It is made up of number of hydrocarbons, organic compounds containing nitrogen, oxygen, sulphur, etc. Now, how are they formed? As we studied earlier also, that coal and petroleum are formed due to the decomposition of living organisms in the sea under high temperature and pressure in the absence of air. It is thick, dark, combustible liquid made up of hydrocarbons, that are compounds containing only hydrogen and carbons. The formation of the oil is similar to the formation of coal. Millions of years ago, countless number of living organisms die and get buried, which later gets transformed into the petroleum. But we cannot use petroleum directly. It is a crude oil, so it has to be refined in the refineries. So let us see how they are done. It is done by the process of fractional distillation. Here, the crude oil is heated into high temperature. When it is heated, it gets separated into its constituent elements like petroleum gas, petrol, kerosene, diesel, fuel oil, lubricating oil, and tar. Distillation separates crude oil into a variety of groups by boiling them until they vaporize, because the different elements here have the different melting point. At each temperature, a number of hydrocarbons become liquid and it gets separated. These are known as fractions. Hence, this process is known as fractional distillation. Now let us see what are they used. Petroleum is very common. It is used for domestic fuel, producing carbons for tires, hydrogen gas, etc. Petrol, it is used for the fuel for vehicles and also for solvent for dry cleaning. Kerosene, fuel for the stoves, lamps, aviation, that means in the jet aircraft. Diesel, also one of the important fuel for the vehicles, the automobiles and the generators. Fuel and oil are used in the industries. Residues like lubricating oil, paraffin, wax, tar has also an important use, like lubricating machines or giving them the grease for the smooth movement, making candles, making roads, etc. Now, if you keep on mining the coal and petroleum, what are the different consequences that we are going to face? The very important is energy crisis. We all have discussed that coal and petroleum are the exhaustible natural resources. They may get exhausted if they are used in unlimited manner. At the same time, mining leads to create hollow space under the ground, which may lead to the sinking of the land. During mining process, many harmful gases are produced. For example, carbon dioxide that may lead to the greenhouse effect, leading to the global warming. It also releases some poisonous gas like carbon monoxide that causes harm to the respiratory system. These are the few consequences on excessive mining and use of coal and petroleum. Now, can you list the suggestion that helps in tackling these issues? So with this question, I end up today's session. So before ending, I'll just discuss here one more is the natural gases and CNG. Natural gases merely consists of methane. It is an ideal fuel because gives smokeless flame, leave less ashes, and has the high calorific value. It is also used as a domestic fuel for obtaining hydrogen. Under high pressure, it can be compressed to get the compressed natural gases. Therefore, it is an eco-friendly. It does not harm our environment. So, we should put more effort to use this kind of gases. Thank you.